we're gonna zip right along. So Python on hardware news, we got like one big thing this week that I wanted to talk about. So congratulations, mostly Anne, but the entire team. Every week we work really hard on the Python on microcontrollers newsletter, and we're up to 12,000 subscribers. Now you have
That's a
to go to
lot.
Adafruit Daily. It's not connected to your store account anyway. You have to go to Adafruit Daily,
You have to
and
solve six puzzles.
no, we don't spam, and there's we kind of make it hard to sign up because we don't want to ever be accused of spamming anyone. We don't use their store account information. This is a completely separate website, and we spend a lot of time on it. It's on GitHub. It's an RSS feed. It's a blog post. You don't even need to sign up as a newsletter. So we're really proud that we were able to do something that didn't, violate your privacy, do all sorts of bad things just to get a newsletter out. There's no advertising in it either. So this is cool. This is the place. And there's so many things that are in it besides Python on hardware. It is becoming a bigger overview of what's going on in, I'd say, just programming. And there's a lot of Python. So if you look like one of the lead stories, resource for learning embedded systems, our stuff is in there. But then Claude 3.7 and Claude Code, Anne wrote about this. And one of the things that we decided to post about was here's a 27-year-old exe file, and Claude reverse engineered it and rewrote it in Python. There's some caveats with that, by the way. And then Ladyada showed how she uses these tools to automate getting the data out of a PDF, a data sheet, and then turning it into a driver. So anyways, do check it out. I think this is central to any time, any place someone is looking to do something on hardware, because CircuitPython and MicroPython and Python's a big part of it. This
What's
is
interesting today, like,
the
so
newsletter.
GPT-3, like people are like, let's use GPT-3. And I was like, do not use GPT-3. I was like, it's close, but it's like, it lies way too much. But Claude Sonnet writes pretty good code.
Yeah, I'll say.
Not, I think I would actually tell people like, yeah, try, for your first pass, if you don't want to write the code, try Claude. You never know.
And we have the
Might
new
pipe out.
boards. Yeah, we have the new boards in here. And I think that one of the things, getting back to your AI thing, I
Yeah.
think that just to put it out there, the way Lemore is using these AI tools is different than I see how everyone's talking about them. So a lot of the code is trained on her code, and she's a computer scientist. So the way she's interacting with it is very different and unique. So that's why we've been documenting it for like a couple years. So all the AI doomers need to just like look at how we're doing it before you say this is the worst thing in the world. It's not. There are other things that are worse. By the way.
It's too late.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but generally speaking, though, like take a look at how she's using it with her code as
Vibing.
a extension of her abilities in a autocomplete way. Wish they wouldn't call it LLM.
I just feel like my wrist, like I've always had like not carpal tunnel, but I always feel like I'm kind of getting to the edge of it.
Yeah.
And it's like, I don't have it anymore. It's great.
So all this and more on Adafruit Daily. Like I said, it's delivered every week.
In your
Edit.
inbox.
All righty.
No
So
ads.